12V. Got bottles, got weed, got my. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. I'm all the way up. 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 For my niggas with Bentley coupes and Rolexes. Kicked the bitch out the room and gave her no breakfast. Had to stash the jewels, these bitches so reckless. Keep my hoes on cruise, I'm talking naughty uptown, showing off for new things. Couldn't take it all, so I gave her chain. She called me top shotter, yeah, I keep a few tings. Champion sound, yeah, I got a few rings. And I'm all the way up. And you can stay up. And if you ask anybody where I live, they point to the hills and say, go all the way up. Go all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. 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 1, 2, 3, 4.
Очень большая потеря, ну головой замыкает, гол! Открывает счет в матче Ашани в самом начале.
Same old habits with the same old stitch in the air, roll splits big as egg rolls, bitch, I don't care. I've been keeping overstimulated just to compensate for all the problems I've accumulated. Got a brain full of chemicals for the pain, just a victim of the pharmaceutical drug game. Check it out, I got a couple things on my chest now. They keep weighing on me, got me feeling stressed out. Drugs aren't helping, all I do is feel suppressed now. Fuck it, I'ma have to come clean. Fuck it, I'ma have to come clean now. Better tell my team that I'm ducking off the scene now. That don't mean I'm leaving here forever, but I'm leaving for the better. I'm moving on to better things. I'm moving on to better things now. Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? Cause I just wanna say one thing. One thing. Right now my hands and my soul have gotten filthy. Filthy. And it's taking everything for me to come clean. Yeah, we all got problems every day. Bloodstream full of things I can never say. What's the big deal anyways? How I celebrate. One love, one light. Every day I demonstrate. Ay, I ain't trying to tell you about my complications, cause it's obvious my head is occupying constellations. My relation with outer space, a full-time basis. I'm too far, chasing a shooting star, baby. And I don't think that I can make it back now. It's hard for us to change the way we act now. Some people never dig the way you're out now. Looks like we stuck up in our ways. It looks like we stuck up in our ways now. Feeling like a break, need to find a new escape route. Just evacuate and pull the lever, cause I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm moving on to better days now. Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? Cause I just wanna say one thing. One thing. Right now my hands and my soul have gotten filthy. Filthy. come clean. Hey, yeah, my hands dirty like my thoughts been. Swimming in the filth I've been lost in. I'm so tired feeling boxed in, cause trying to stay clean is exhausting. I ain't proud, everything around so filthy, so I keep my head up in the clouds. I ain't proud, everything around so filthy,
so I keep my head up in the clouds.
Yeah, it's Locks. Shout out to my man, WY on the track. Yeah. Why? Why is it so easy to be filthy? It's so hard to come clean. Shit.
It's suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.